Did you know that the ordinary-looking 20-cent coin in your pocket is actually a symbol of a historical journey? The story behind this coin is so fascinating that it will leave you amazed. When did the idea of creating this coin emerge, and what were the conditions of the world in 2016? In 2016, the global landscape was marked by significant political shifts and economic transitions. During this time, the Australian economy was navigating the aftermath of the mining boom, focusing on innovation and new financial avenues. In this era of global change, the Royal Australian Mint sought to refresh the visual identity of its circulating coinage, leading to the conceptualization of the 2016 20-cent coin design featuring the platypus and the fourth portrait of Queen Elizabeth II by Ian Rank Broadley. This period reflected a blend of traditional monarchy and modern Australian heritage. In 2016, Australia was undergoing a significant economic transition, moving away from the peak of the mining investment boom and focusing on diversifying into services, tourism, and advanced manufacturing. The global economic climate was quite uncertain, and the Australian dollar experienced fluctuations as the nation adapted to these changes. On the political and social front, the year was marked by a tight federal election, highlighting public debates over housing affordability, taxation, and innovation policies. Amidst this period of economic adjustment and political transition, the Royal Australian Mint celebrated the 50th anniversary of the 20-cent coin by maintaining its iconic platypus design while refining its commemorative output, reflecting the nation's resilience and pride in its heritage. In 2016, the socio-political landscape was defined by profound global transformations and the enduring legacy of Queen Elizabeth II. As Australia navigated these changing times, the monarchy served as a symbol of stability amidst a period marked by significant political shifts and digital revolution worldwide. The year 2016 witnessed major geopolitical events, including the Brexit vote and a highly competitive Australian federal election, which highlighted public concerns over economic futures and social equality. During this time of transition, the inclusion of Queen Elizabeth II portrait on the 20-cent coin represented a bridge between Australia's historical heritage and its modern, forward-looking identity. In 1966, the iconic Australian 20-cent coin featuring the platypus was masterfully designed by the renowned British sculptor and coin designer, Stuart Devlin. Devlin, who also designed Australia's other decimal currency coins introduced that year, envisioned the platypus swimming among abstract, swirling waterlines to celebrate Australia's unique wildlife. The bold number 20 was stylized to complement the dynamic flow of the water, making the coin instantly recognizable. Over the decades, and specifically leading into 2016, this masterpiece of minting art remained a symbol of Australian heritage, reflecting Devlin's vision of bringing Australia's diverse fauna to the forefront of global numismatics. The journey of the 2016 20-cent coin from a design concept to legal tender involved rigorous evaluation and approval by the Royal Australian Mint and the Australian government. Before production, the design, featuring the platypus and Queen Elizabeth II effigy, had to meet strict standards for durability, security, and aesthetic compliance as outlined by the Currency Act 1965. The Mint's board, alongside the Treasury, reviewed the specifications to ensure the coin's composition, 75% copper and 25% nickel, would withstand heavy circulation. This official backing guaranteed not only the coin's authenticity but also its status as a recognized symbol of Australia's national identity. The manufacturing journey of the 2016 20-cent coin begins deep within Australia's rich mining sector, where raw copper and nickel are extracted and refined to the highest purity standards. The coin's composition consists of an alloy made of 75% copper and 25% nickel, which provides both durability and a distinct silver-like appearance. Once the refined metals are sourced, they are transported to the Royal Australian Mint's Advanced Production Facility in Canberra. Here, the metal is melted, rolled into precise strips, and blanks are punched out. High-speed coining presses then strike the blanks with the iconic platypus design on the reverse and Queen Elizabeth II portrait on the obverse, ensuring millions of uniform, high-quality coins are ready for nationwide circulation. The distribution and circulation phase represents the final, crucial step in introducing the 2016 20-cent coin to the public. After the minting process at the Royal Australian Mint in Canberra, the coins are securely packed and distributed to major financial institutions and the Reserve Bank of Australia. From the central bank, they are routed into commercial banks, retail stores, and ultimately into the pockets of the general public. The marketing and launch of such commemorative dated coinage focus on highlighting their role in daily transactions, as well as their appeal to collectors who look for specific release years and mint marks. This seamless supply chain ensures that the coin maintains its liquidity while acting as a cultural artifact in everyday circulation. The 2016 Australian 20-cent coin can become an incredibly valuable collector's item if it features specific minting errors that occurred during the production process. First, a double-struck error, where the coin is struck a second time off-center, can drive the value up to $5,000 to $10,000 AUD. Second, the off-center strike error, occurring when the blank is not properly aligned in the press, can fetch between $2,000 and $6,000 Australian dollars depending on the missing design percentage. Third, a die crack or cut error, showing raised metal flaws from a damaged die, holds a market value of $500 to $2,500 AUD. Fourth, the rare broadstrike error, created when the coin is struck without being contained by the collar, is valued at $1,000 to $3,000 AUD. Finally, the partial brockage error, caused by a coin getting stuck to the die and leaving an ink use impression on another coin, is highly sought after and can command up to $10,000 to $15,000 Australian dollars or more in specialized numismatic auctions.